In this example, I have a two-way curve alignment. So horizontally, this is your curve, and then vertically, it's also in a different elevation. So in Tekla structure, we have this chainage wherein we can use our bridge creator to add the segmented deck here. So here I have the component that I can use the bridge deck, and then from 500 meter to 560 meter, it will segmented to 3.1 meter each. So all I have to do is to create, and there you go. So quickly you can see the segment deck here, and then since we're talking about a curve here on the horizontal, so you can see the gap, and then in vertical as well, you will able to see that there's a collision between the segment here because of the two-way curve. So what we can do here is we can use now our match cast. So for the match cast, all I have to do is to select everything, all right? And then from here, I will just simply identify the order. So it will show you all the segment here on the match cast. And then you can specify the direction, whether it is forward or backward. So one of these will start 90-90, and then because of the match cast, it will fit onto the 90 degrees of each segment. So let's say I will use the forward and then select everything again. And then all I have to do is match cast selected element, and then zoom in here so that we can see the outcome. Click match cast, and there you go. So here it will fit the segment horizontally and vertically. So as you can see here, it will be clearly fit using our match cast in Tekla structure. So this is a combination of bridge creator and the match cast.